So the IRS has had 3 lousy tax prep seasons in a row, with people trying to call to talk to someone at the IRS, not being able to. And the IRS has been hiring more customer service workers. Maybe I won't have to say customer no service. We'll see. But it is a meaningful change, and keeping my fingers crossed that this tax season will not be a repeat of the last 3 years where when you had a question or a problem, you could not reach a human. And only time will tell if the IRS delivers on what's a promise to have actual real customer service this tax season. But I want to talk about something else as well. One of the most often ignored programs that the IRS offers is Free File. And Free File for 23 works like it has in prior years. You are either based on income or without an income limit, you are able, depending on the preparation firm, you are able to prepare and file your federal taxes for free. Now, if a company participates up to a certain income level, you automatically qualify for Free File. And at irs.gov, all you do is go to irs.gov and you click on the Free File button, and you'll be able to see the rules and requirements for each service. If you live in a state that has a state income tax, there are offers under Free File where they will also do your state income tax for free, or others where they do the federal for free, but you have to pay for the state. So you need to be aware of that you could get a gotcha bill if you live in a state with a state income tax, and know that that's part of the consideration of who you go with. The tax prep software works pretty much like tax prep software you would go buy online or buy in a physical store. It is online software that you do. You know, one of the weird things in the United States, do you know we are one of the few developed countries left where you still do an income tax return? Because in most places now, they've got all the data. The government, whatever country you live in, calculates your tax bill, sends it to you, and you can dispute the information if they think it's wrong. So the process is reversed. They do the return electronically based on the data submitted over the year by employers and investment houses and stuff like that. And then your return is calculated. Now, who would have to then respond in kind and say, no, this isn't right? People who own investment property, rental houses, things like that. You own your own business, you're going to have to do stuff. But it means the overwhelming number of Americans would not have to actually go through the drudgery of doing an income tax filing anymore if we followed the system that most other developed countries now have in place. So just think about that. Even if you're able to prepare for free, you're having to spend time that a lot of other people in a lot of other wealthy countries don't have to do.